3 creative ways how to make over your room, part 2. 1. Multifunctional pallet coffee table with storage. By installing 2 heavy-duty casters and hoisting mechanism following the design of a roll-out bed, you have the ability to have 2 pallets stacked on each other, with the top expanding outward on a track. The best way to envision the design is to imagine how a multi-layered toolbox is pulled out. Underneath the pallet is a plethora of storage space that is covered when not extended. 2. Folding vintage dinner table. Taking a standard folding table and turning it into a vintage spot for eating is just a matter of a few steps. As they are, the metal on these tables is boring and unappealing. The initial step is to spray paint the legs with a color tone that is bright and shiny. Then, using liquid nails, coat the entire surface, whereupon you will place 3 slabs of wood that act as the surface. Leave overhang on both sides so you can use leftover wood to screw in borders to hide the plastic elements. After sanding the wood, a simple cherry stain will have your new table complete and ready to serve. Tip: gold paint on the legs of the folding table works exceptionally well in adding to the value and overall appearance of the piece. 3. Fire bowl for your tabletop. We are familiar with fire bowls to enhance our backyards, but what about placing one on your tabletop? Mix a generous amount of concrete and fill in a large sturdy bowl with it less than halfway of its depth. Then place a smaller bowl inside the large one and let set. After the concrete has fully dried, flip the bowl and tap gently, which will release the bowls you used as molds. Then place a fuel can in the center, covered by chicken wire and surrounded by decorative rocks. Done! For more makeover challenges and detail, follow Simp Home link inside the description area. Use comment area if you have anything you want to share. And until our next video, thanks for watching.